Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm back. Thanks, Sydney, for filling in last week when the kiddos were sick. We have a beautiful new line for you. This is called Gingham Gardens. It is a Riley Blake. The designer is My Mind's Eye. Is that not stunning? I feel like it's just stunning. It's so pretty. Anyways, we have the whole line here, as well as fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers. We got it all, people. All right, and then let's zoom over here. We have some more pre-cuts for you. We have the Cider pre-cuts. We have fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charms. We have the Hello Sunshine fat quarter bundles, charms. And we have Moody Bloom, which is a Create Joy project. We have the charms and the fat quarter bundles of that as well. Then talking about Hello Sunshine, that is a line from Riley Blake. It is a beautiful, super fun kids line. How fun is that?
From Moda.
It's from Moda, yeah, sorry. Well, I said charm, that should imply, right? It's an Abi Hall design. It comes with some great solids there. Love this, the little bees, the sunshine and rainbows, the cherries. It's just super light and we like it a lot. So we got the whole line and that'll be super fun. Okay, and then if you see some empty shelves, it's because we're rearranging things. The goal is to have all the sewing machines we sell in the shop. So it's a transition process here, people. And then the last fabric we have for you today is Seeds of Glory. It's Riley Blake. Here it is. The designer is Buttermilk Basin. So we've had some of their other stuff, really nice. These are more like primitive blenders, which is really nice because you don't get a ton of primitive blenders. So we picked out the primitive blenders from that line so we could have those. So that's a great addition to the primitive room. So those are all the new things this week. We want to tell you Sunday's Fab Stash show will be a pre-recorded. So it'll go up at 3 p.m. You'll be able to view that and you comment as normal. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check it out on our website. And then also just a quick note, if you guys were on the Sunday selling where the Fab Stash show, where we talked about the Fab Stash Club beta stage and you guys got into that beta stage with the trial and all that, check your email. There's a few things and notes and updates and all of that. If you didn't get into the beta, don't worry. The point of having the trial stage is so that hopefully we can roll it out to everybody shortly. So, that's all. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.